Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to write a comment in the Google Docs app. But before that, don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment down below, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy. So without further ado, let's just jump right into it. First we have to open up the Google Docs app. Here it opens up in Drive files. From here we just have to go into the document that we want to edit. And here it opens up like this. We have to tap on the pencil icon in the bottom right corner to edit the document. Then in the top row we tap on the plus icon, and here we have comment at the top. If we tap on this, then we can add the comment to whatever place of the document we want to. So for example, if I want to add a comment in the header, I can just write it here like this. Change size, for example, and then the owner can look at the comment and see it displayed next to the commented part of the text. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. Hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one.